Religare, because that's actually performing phenomenally well. It's up about 5.5% as we speak, and it's actually gaining traction at one point. In fact, it has hit a fresh 52-week high of 304.6 on the NSE. Stock has been on a phenomenal run. Avni, in the last 6 months, has delivered returns in excess of 35%. Year to date, it's up somewhere around that mark as well. But again, in the lead up to this news of acquisition, the stock has done phenomenally well. If you look at the 1 month returns, Religare has rallied close to 18%. In fact, over 18%. Can this momentum continue for Religare? Avni, what's your view?
Yes, definitely. The stock has given a new breakout on weekly and monthly charts, and it's out of the woods and it's moving up higher. And we expect, I mean, after such a huge gap up opening and such a huge gain, single day gain, there can be retracements. It can come down to somewhere around 289 to 290 levels. That will be a good level to buy the stock again. In a coming few weeks, to probably a month or so, we should be seeing the stock moving up to around 380 levels, which were the previous highs of that particular stock. So stay positive. If someone has bought it at lower levels, hold on to the gains. You are going to see further gains coming in the stock. Someone who has missed the rally can enter into the stock once it comes to around 290.